Hello students, welcome to Summarize Chemistry. Today we will discuss about a very common reaction, that is MC-Muri reaction. This reaction is also called as coupling ring or MC-Muri reduction. Okay, the reagent used in this type of reaction is titanium chloride along with a reducing agent like TiCl3 with lithium aluminum hydrate. Then TiCl3, then zinc in THF. So THF means tetrahydrofuran. The structure of tetrahydrofuran is like this. And what will be the reactant for this reaction? That is 2 equivalent moles of carbonyl compound. Okay. So what will be the product of them? A double bonded compound. This double bond is formed in between the 2 carbonyl compound. Okay. The product will be a double bonded compound. Let us see the chemical reaction. What will happen? The 2 equivalent of carbonyl compound, that is aldehyde or ketone, they may be same or different. Okay. Then it will react in the presence of titanium trichloride and a reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydrate. Then what will happen? Double bond between the carbonyl compound will form, and that will be the product. There is a question that why the reaction is also called as coupling reaction. Okay, so what will be the answer? Why? Because 2 equivalent of carbonyl compound they coupled together to form a product, so it is called as coupling reaction. So in theory, 2 equivalent of carbonyl compound react, then a double bond between carbonyl compound like structure is formed. Since the compounds are coupled to form a single double bonded compound, so it is called a coupling reaction. Okay, like this. Here 2 carbonyl compound react and they are connected with a single double bond. That means they are coupled together. It is a free radical mechanism. What will happen when 2 equivalent mole of carbonyl compound? Okay. First, there will be a homolytic cleavage. That means the double bond will break symmetrically. Okay. It means the breaking of bond will must be 50% to both the atom. When homolytic cleavage is done, then what will happen? See, the double bond break. So the carbon contain 1 electron and the oxygen contain 1 electron. Okay. Although the titanium have a electron on it, so they will form a bond like this. OTI means oxygen and titanium form a bond. Hence there are 2 compound, 2 moles, so there will be another compound also, and now they will couple together. This electron and this electron will form a bond, that is called coupling. Okay. Here what will happen then? Again a homolytic cleavage is done. Okay. So this bond will break. So 1 electron will come towards here, and from here 1 electron come towards here. So it will form a double bond. Here a double bond, and these 2 compound will remove as they are a reagent like this. There is a note for you. Since a double bond is formed, so there is a possibility of both cis and trans. Okay, cis means same side and trans means opposite side. The E form is dominating in this reaction. E form means the trans form. The trans form is always dominating in this reaction. That is, the E form is formed in a large amount in comparison with Z form. That means cis form is lesser amount and the trans form is higher amount. There is an exception for this reaction. Whenever an aryl group is present at the carbon, then due to coordination with titanium, Z form will be dominator. Okay. Z form means cis form. When will be, there will be aryl group. Okay. Here the compound contain aryl group. So here the cis form will always the dominator like this. Okay. And whenever the aryl group are very bulky, then the E form will again dominate. Okay. Here there are 2 aryl group and here also two aryl group, so the E form will again dominate itself. So here the MC-Murray reaction ends up. Thank you for watching the whole video, and do like, share and comment if it is beneficial for you. Thank you.